Now take a look at this before and after. No, this is not a hair transformation. This is a health transformation, and it's my journey. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And today, we are going to do something different. I'm going to talk about my health journey. So no, it's not about hair, but as my Curl House community, I have to keep you abreast of my accomplishments. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have been participating in training to compete in an amateur bodybuilding contest. And guess what I did, y'all? I did it. And not only did I do it, but I won. I won in both categories, and I won overall winner. So that's why I have on my tiara. Yes, I'm a little extra today, but I'm just coming off of this competition. It was awesome, and I just wanted to jump up here and just talk to you about my journey. So yes, I am the hair lady, but what I always preach is that healthy hair starts with a healthy body. So we've got to get healthy. I decided a year ago that I would get serious about my health. So last year around this time, unfortunately, my father passed away. He had a lot of health challenges, genetic things such as diabetes, type 1 diabetes, which is a little different from type 2 diabetes. He had type 1 diabetes. He had it since he was a child. And I just watched him struggle like his entire life for like over 65 years with health challenges due to his diabetes. And I realized a year ago after he passed that with his health, I feel like he didn't have a choice because he was practically born with diabetes. Me, I have a choice. Well, nothing wrong with me. I was healthy. For the most part, I was healthy. I had no diseases, no issues. But what I realized a year ago, that it was going to require that I do something about my lifestyle in order to maintain my health. I did not want to suffer the way my dad suffered. I did not want to be on medication. I'm in my 40s. I'm 46. And, you know, I'm healthy, but I wanted to maintain my health. And I knew that the lifestyle I was living of horrible diet. Well, no, last year my diet wasn't horrible. I did start to make changes before last year, but it wasn't the best diet. Exercise was on again, off again, you know, stressed out. I knew even then that type of lifestyle is not the lifestyle that I wanted to continue to live. I wanted to grow old and healthy, not old and sick. So last year, I just decided I'm going to make this lifestyle change, and I started with nutrition. So I decided to go plant-based. So I had been hearing about the benefits of plant-based dieting. I worked with a doctor who believed in plant-based. So I thought, let me try it. You know, I don't think it could hurt. And it was literally the best decision I could have made to go plant-based. Oh, I love it. I feel fantastic. I have energy. I wake up in the morning, my arthritis in my hands are gone. Some other joint pain that I had in my body is gone. I lost weight. My skin started to get clearer. It's just, I have a list of about 25 things that have corrected within my body from going plant-based. But that's the nutrition style I decided on. So whatever you decide on, stick to it. But plant-based is what worked for me. So I did that in April of last year. I completely went plant-based. And then after I kind of got in a habit of this plant-based lifestyle, then I was ready to incorporate exercise. So I connected with a local gym that I'm in Richmond, and there is a lady called Maria. Her gym is Body by Maria. She is a beast, home of the results. She will work your butt off, but she will get results. I connected with her because I really wanted to not only focus on eating, but exercise too. As a matter of fact, she's the one that actually gave me my meal plan because she's vegan. So she gave me my meal plan. So I started on her plant-based meal plan. Then I started to incorporate the exercise. having no intentions of doing any type of bodybuilding competition. Let me be clear about that. But after being there and after talking to so many of the women who have participated in her amateur bikini contest, I thought, you know what? Come 2023, I'm going to do it. And that's what I did, y'all. I did it. So I trained this year from January, starting from January up until March 4th for 8 weeks. We did intense training, so intense cardio, intense weightlifting training, and what I would consider to be intense or maybe intimidating. We had to walk. So meaning walking practice, like doing a lot of practice, because guess what? I had to wear a bikini. I had to wear a bikini in front of hundreds of people. And contrary to what most people believe, I don't wear bikinis. So I thought, oh my God. And it's not like wearing a bikini at the beach where wearing a bikini is just common. No, you're wearing a bikini in front of hundreds of people. So that was very intimidating. But after the walking and after the practicing and after really connecting with so many beautiful women who were on the same journey that I was on to prioritize their health, we did the competition, y'all. And I rocked it. I'm going to keep it real. I got up on that stage and I crushed it because I felt confident. I was confident in myself. And that is what part of the bikini contest it does. It helps you to build your confidence. But I got on the stage, I walked, I felt amazing. My body feels so strong now. I feel like now I am in the best health that I have ever been in. So I just wanted to get on this YouTube channel and just share it with you. That's why I'm sharing it with you. I just wanted to inspire you, to encourage you to prioritize your health. Whether or not you get on a stage or not doesn't matter. The moment you decide to prioritize your health, then you are winning. So join the winning team with me and prioritize your health. Oh my gosh, your body will thank you for it. And not to mention your hair. So, I'll say something about hair. Yes, healthy hair really does start with a healthy body. So I encourage you to prioritize your health, y'all. Do one thing different. It takes baby steps. You may not be able to do it all at once, and that's okay. Baby steps. Start to drink more water. Start to eat more whole foods. So foods that haven't been processed. So minimize your processed foods. Manage your stress a little bit more. Start walking. Start doing a little more cardio. Just start somewhere. And again, the moment you decide to start somewhere and you do it, then you too are winning, and I want you all to win. So I also will be documenting some of the things that I do in terms of my health and fitness on my Instagram channel. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at I Am Karen Flowers. And I also have my Curl House page on Instagram too, which is really geared toward hair and hair restoration and even health. But I'll be a little bit more intimate on my personal channel. I Am Karen Flowers on Instagram. Also, if you need help with hair growth and maintaining your hair, and if you want to take that holistic approach like I did, where you're focusing on your health, not just your hair, I encourage you to join my wait list for my health and hairness program that will be launching this spring. I'll pop the link above to join the wait list. So again, we will take that holistic whole body approach to hair growth. That is coming soon. I hope you like this video. If so, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss a video. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.